Hey there, drone fans. Today I'll give you 5 good reasons why I think the DJI Neo is a great drone for new flyers. Starting with the fact that it's incredibly easy to fly. You don't even need a controller. You can hold it in your hand, turn it on, hit a button on the front, and the drone will automatically fly a predetermined pattern where it either circles you, or it flies away from you as it elevates, or it shoots straight up in the air, and it can act like a virtual camera person as well, where it can follow you as you walk along. You can record the video and immediately post it to your social media channels. The drone will fly for up to 18 minutes on a full charge, which is unbelievable, and you can easily swap out batteries if you want to fly a little longer. You can charge those batteries in the drone through the USB-C port in the back, or you can use the external charging hub to charge 3 batteries at the same time. It also records incredibly good 4K footage at up to 30 frames a second, which is great for your social media platforms, and it can record vertical video, which is what you'll need for TikTok videos or Instagram videos. It'll even record audio along with the video, so once you record that content, you can immediately again post it to your social media channels. The thing I like best about the drone, though, to be honest, is the fact that the drone is really 4 drones in one. It's a selfie drone that you can fly without external controllers, but you can also connect it to your phone, and you'll have control over the drone with virtual joysticks from your phone, so you can fly it like a regular drone. You can also use an external controller like this one to really turn it into a regular drone, and when you're using a controller like that, it'll fly for up to 7 kilometers away, which means you can fly it over the forest, you can fly it over the lake, you can have a lot of fun with it. You can even fly it as an FPV drone using the new Motion Controller 3 with the DJI goggles N3, and now you've got an FPV drone. So really you've got one drone that you can use as a selfie drone, as a regular drone with your phone, as a regular drone with a controller, and as an FPV drone, all in one, all in a single drone. And the best thing about the drone is its durability, because this is built to take bumps against trees, bumps against walls in the house. I mean, it's built to be an incredibly durable drone. It's small, it's portable, it's a lot of fun to fly, and again, I think it's a great drone to get started. And the best part about the drone in general is once you get good flying this, if you find out you really like the hobby, all the skills you develop flying the Neo transfer to a bigger drone if you decide to upgrade later on. So I think it's a great way to get started. I really enjoy flying this drone, both indoors on rainy days and outdoors when it's sunny, and I think you're going to enjoy it as well. So I hope you found value in this review, and thanks an awful lot for watching.